In this video, I am going to show you how to add repository to CloudStream on Android TV. The first thing that you would like to do is basically the code of the repository that you want to add. So copy the repo code on their homepage. As example, you can do that on just your phone. You just find your preferred repository and simply click on the shorts code to automatically copy it to your clipboard, or just save it on your phone since we are adding it on the TV or the Android TV. So the auto copy would work if you're using it on phone, PC, but for you, just keep it in hand. Once you do so, you'd like to open the app settings. First of all, open the application, then go and open the settings. You will find the settings icon on the bottom menu, bottom left. So click on it. Once you do so, we would like to click on extensions. So in the settings, select extensions, which is the bottom option, and then click on add repository as we saw before. Once you do so, we would like to paste the code that you copied from their website into the input field, then click on add. For you, you'll have to enter it manually since you are on an Android TV. A list of available plugins will appear. So select the plugin that you want to use and click on install, and you are now ready to enjoy the content. Now you successfully added your repositories to CloudStream on your Android TV. This is a pro tip. Always copy shortcode that supports your preferred language for the best experience, or just enter the codes for your preferred language because you will find codes for many languages. So that was it for me in this video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.